Welcome back. Now news from sports. Avdumber Hede's Polo Cup winning ambitions have taken a serious hit. The Madgaon-based lad had an absolute roller coaster experience at round 5 of the Polo Cup in Chennai. Avdumber qualified 5th and finished 3rd in the first race. But an unfortunate incident in the second race pegged him back to the bottom of the pack. As a result, Avdumber has now dropped to 4th in the overall championship standings, 41 points behind leader Vishnu Prasad. Prudent was at the race venue to capture the best of the action.
The weekend started off well for championship contender Avdumber Hede as he qualified 5th. However, Vishnu Prasad, placed above Avdumber Hede in the standings, qualified 2nd, just 0.009 seconds from Oshan Kotadia, but had to start in 12th position due to a 10-place penalty he received from the last round. Avdumber Hede had a good race 1, making up 2 spots in the 10-lap race to finish on the podium in race 1. Oshan Kotadia finished 2nd behind Rahil Nurani. The top 8 finishers in race 1 started in the reverse order of their respective positions in race 2. Avdumber started in 6th, but this unfortunate incident saw Avdumber resume at the bottom of the pack. The damage was severe and Avdumber had to dive into the pits to change a bent wheel rim. Avdumber joined the pack in the last place and battled to finish 2nd last in 17th. This has resulted in Avdumber losing some serious ground in the championship standings. After round 5 of the Polo Cup, Vishnu Prasad is back to where he was after the first 2 rounds as championship leader. So I have championship leader Vishnu Prasad with me. After round 5, Vishnu Prasad stands with 320 points. Yeah. How does it feel, buddy?
It feels great. I've had a miserable 2 rounds. I've been having 10-place grid penalties for the last 2 rounds. After the first race, I was 58 points behind. I'd given up all hope. And then I think Rahil spun or something or got hit. It was really unfortunate for him. But and I won the second race, so it was the championship back on. So whoever adapts faster in Delhi is going to win the championship.
You feeling confident now because you had participated last year as well in the Polo Cup? You did not win the Polo Cup obviously, but you feel this year could be your year?
I mean, the first 3 rounds it was really great, really great. I'd won about 4 races out of 5. I had 3 out of 3 poles. And then it all went downhill. And now I'm starting to pick myself back up at the right time. So with 1 more round to go and leading the championship, it's going to be a tight one. I'm going to really have to concentrate really hard, work really hard on winning the race, both the races. Try to finish ahead of Rahil, and hopefully win the championship and go abroad next year.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from the MMRC track in Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Vasco Sports Club and city rivals Salgonka Sports Club played out a draw in their 6th round match of the Pro League. A win for Salgonka would have taken them closer to the top 3, but Vasco had a good chance to jump 2 spots on the league standings. Contrary to the expectation, the match ended Salgonka 0, Vasco 0.
The clash was an eagerly anticipated one as this local derby split the Port City fans into 2 at the Tilak Maidan in Vasco. Both teams made good runs and moved the ball well but failed to go past their counterparts' defences. The end result was a goalless draw, but the match was full of exciting moves. Here are a few highlights of the match. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.